Tired of Lightroom lagging and slowing down your photo editing workflow? Today, we're diving into practical tips and settings adjustments to make your Lightroom lightning fast, boosting your productivity. First, let's optimize your cache. Go to your Lightroom preferences, then the Performance tab. Make sure you Smart Previews instead of Originals for image editing is checked. Below that, increase your camera raw cache settings. Maximum size. A good starting point is 50 GB or more, depending on your hard drive space. This helps Lightroom quickly access recently edited images. Next, avoid unnecessary previews in the library module. When you import photos, choose minimal or standard previews, not 11. Generate 11 previews only for the specific images you plan to edit in a develop module. Speaking of modules, always switch back to the library module when you're not actively editing. Lightroom uses fewer resources in the library module, freeing up memory. Regularly optimize your catalog. Go to File, then Optimize Catalog. This cleans up database fragmentation and improves performance over time. Finally, ensure your photos and Lightroom catalog are on a fast solid-state drive or SSD if you can. Use a dedicated external SSD for your active projects. This is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. Implement these simple adjustments, and you'll transform your Lightroom experience from frustratingly slow to incredibly efficient. Enjoy a smoother workflow and get back to what you love: editing amazing photos.